If you guys want to learn how you can hide content to help improve your SEO, make sure to continue watching this video. Now, welcome to Casey's SEO. So today I'm going to show you guys how you can hide content on Elementor to improve your SEO. Now, this is not black hat. This is just a different way to think about it and how you can shorten up your page and hide some content. So let's head over to the computer and I'm going to show you guys how you can do this in a matter of minutes. For this example, we're going to be using WordPress and Elementor. So you have to create a post or a page, and then you will go into and click edit with Elementor. Once your page opens up, you can see how I have one of my videos laid out and created as a blog post. So you'll notice my YouTube embed up top, my text, and then below you will see this HTML box. And then below that, you will see one of these accordion tabs. You will notice that the accordion tab is closed, and this is how we're going to hide content. So if you click on the accordion box over on the left-hand side, you will see the title. You can click on that title, and then you can post any type of information that you want. So here I have an article, and I don't want people to see this article. This article does pertain to the content on that page, but it is just another article to add in more information about NAP and how it affects SEO. In this accordion, you could have some Q&As, or you could post some type of different article, anything that relates to the content on the page, but just gives you more information in order to drive up your word content and add in more relevant keywords. So the way that you can hide the accordion or keep it closed at all times is by using this HTML code. And I will post this HTML code into the description box. So if you guys want to try this out, you're going to add an HTML box, and then you're going to paste that code in the box, and then this will always keep your accordion tab closed. If you do not have this HTML code pasted in and you have multiple accordions or just one accordion, the first box will always stay open. So if you have a Q&A section here, for example, and you have 5 Q&As and you have 500 words for each Q&A, that's going to make your page really long, and it may ruin the flow of your web design, or maybe you just don't want that page to be super duper long. So you can use this HTML code and close every accordion box to make everything look really smooth. For example, this is about 1,000 word article, and this will get closed, and it makes this page really short and simple. I have a title, a video embed, and then a transcription of the video. And then if people want to go down, they can click on the other article. So there you go. You can now hide content on your web page to help improve your SEO by using that little snippet of HTML code with an accordion box. This way, you do not have to have a page that is a mile long. If you want to use something that is 10,000 words, you can just hide everything and only put the important information up top. I hope you guys enjoyed this tip, and if you have any more questions or comments, please make sure to let me know and hit that subscribe button so you can stay updated with more SEO tips.